Are you looking for the perfect scent? Welcome to the solution for Fragz. We have the answers.
Dusty crates in the basement. Yeah, the basement is
YouTube, welcome back to yet another video. I'm Solution for the Solution Fragz, bringing you another one of these things. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, drop down in the comments. Tell me what you think about this fragrance in the video. What's your opinion on it? Subscribe, tap that notification button so you know when I'm dropping another one of these things. Share the video. Tell a friend, come back again so you too can be a part of the FRAG family. So let's get into it. That's a short roll up, right? Y'all like that? How quick I did that? All right, so let's get into it. Today's offering is from Maison Margiela Replica Sailing Day. Now, we're in the time of the year where it's warm and you want to break out your blue fragrances, your freshies, your marine notes, and we got something for you right here. Now, I will say this about this line. First off, clearly you've never seen this on the channel, which means I only have one of their fragrance offerings at this time. Maybe no other time, possibly might add another, who knows. We're gonna set that off to the side, but it's been chilling in the background for several videos for well over a month now. Now, one thing I do like is that they have this cool atomizer protector so you don't accidentally, disperse the fragrance if you're throwing it in a bag or something like that. You're traveling with that. So you check that out. It's a little tube, okay? A little cylinder that keeps the atomizer down where you can't accidentally press down on it. You know, Jean Paul Gaultier has their ring clip that you can pull out to keep it from accidental dispersal. Now, what's so great about this? It's extremely fresh, extremely aquatic. That is the top accord, aquatic. It makes you think of a great day on the beach. But let's back up for a second. The Solution, have you test fired this? Yes, I have. All right. And I worn this out and about and it gave me pretty good performance. Okay. Now, before I get into the notes and everything, be careful, people. Make sure you find this at a good deal. All right. See, I'm kind of telling you how to spend your money. But let me double back. Watch the price point. I will say this for what you're getting here, because it's not different enough, if you will. It's it gives you very high quality body wash. All right. Now it's unisex, but it does put you in the mood of a high quality men's body wash. And I'll say that because of the sea notes and stuff like that that's in there, the marine thing. And you know, Maison Margiela really kind of focuses on the ladies quite a bit too, in my opinion. They have some offerings for men that I'm not a fan of. And right away, you get blasted with the aldehyde, the aquatic sea notes right away. But what's interesting underneath of this, where it makes it purely unisex, is there's some rose in there. All right, so you rose lovers out there, you might like this. Fellas, if you have this, your lady might find herself borrowing this as well. This is a very, very unisex, fresh smelling, but it does give body wash vibes. And you know, I was reading comments and stuff like that, and doing my research on it, I can kind of see why people said that. All right, I can kind of see that. But there's so many things that are similar to this that will keep you from paying anywhere. I've seen as high as $165 with this. You could get this for under $100, I believe. And I got this on base for under $100, but they're actually selling it for higher. They had a sale on this for some weird reason. And they had Jazz Club, which is another one that I'm a fan of. But I have an alt rendition of Jazz Club that's spot on, and there's no reason for me to buy that. But I was really curious about this. And it also comes in like a little sample. They give you 2 in a box. And I couldn't smell it in there. So I actually stumbled upon a tester. I believe, where were we? We were at Sephora or something like that. I think Sephora sells a lot of these. My daughter, and I was like, oh yeah, this is the one right here. And I was curious. I said, I'm going to add this to the collection. And it's pretty good. So what do we have here? We have sea notes, aldehydes, coriander, red pepper, juniper, iris, amyl silicates, and seaweed and burgess, cedar and anderwood. All right, and right there in the middle, I forgot there's some rose in there as well. So I was definitely smelling that. And you know, some people say things in the comments on some of these fragrance reviewers, talking about the seaweed note will give it, you know, a fish smell.
That's crazy.
Stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it. And if you read their comment, you'll see why they said what they said. But I was shocked they mentioned a seaweed note, which is where they got that from. I'd never seen that in a fragrance before, as an aquatic type note, a marine note, seaweed. Okay, all right. They really want to give you that feel that you're on the beach somewhere. Now, when would you wear this? Clearly, on the beach. Clearly, on a boat. This is a yacht fragrance, okay? This is a yacht party fragrance. This is a white party sailing around the Baltimore Inner Harbor fragrance, which I've done. I wish I had this back then. It worked perfectly. But it's one of those vibes. Look at it, it's blue, so it's telling you already what it's for. And actually the camera, now I'm looking into, it makes it look, let me move my hand. It makes it look far more blue than what it is. People, it's not that blue when you see it in person. But like they said, there are far too many other offerings out there for you to pay this. And I'm kind of with that, but if you just want something different in the collection, and I'm thinking of a couple of them out there, the Nautica line, the Voyage and all that stuff like that, is a, you know, for value, that's still a good blue aquatic fragrance right there. Dare I say a few others that I can't really think of at the moment, but definitely, if you are curious about the Maison Margiela line, as a man, this is your entry point right here for this time of year. I could not see someone smelling like this in the fall, maybe because the rose saves it. Maybe because the, what else is in here? The cedar and amberwood saves it a little bit. Maybe because of that. But other than that, this is purely a true summer, spring, bright day. You're on the beach. Like I always talk about, this is actually 5 buttons open, okay? You got your chains on. You got a nice straw hat on. You got a nice tropical drink in your hand. You're chilling with your lady. You know, maybe you by yourself just vibing out, you know, not wanting to deal with people, but just want to take in the rays and the sea breeze. This is what you're going to put on. All right? You're chilling at the pool. You're kind of stunting. You're really not going to get in the water. You know, you're just out there chilling, you know, just for the ambiance for it. You're having a white party in the backyard. This right here will do it. There's a wedding with a relaxed dress code. This will do it in the summer or spring. So I can't drag this out any longer. All right. This is one of those 10-minute bangers. Okay. You can't drag it out. It is exactly what it is. So we reached the point in the video where I must bid you adieu, and I appreciate everything that you do for the channel. Road to 500. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share the video, tell a friend, come back again. All right. And like we always do about this time, and we're out. I do like this, you all. I do. It's just not different enough. Okay? But don't overpay for this, please.
Dusty crates in the basement. Yeah, the basement is the lab.